As the need for collaboration platforms has risen, organizations are recognizing the benefits of Microsoft Teams for better organization of the virtual workspace. Here are 5 ways Microsoft Teams can benefit your business. Prepare for your meetings. After creating the meeting in Teams, you can initiate a chat with the participants and discuss the agenda. You can also share files to review, keep track of all notes and lists, and even check up on the participants. Use chat for quick questions. With Teams, you can use chat to answer any quick questions that come up, reducing the time you usually spend scanning your inbox. You can name conversations, create group chats, and even search for files sent by a contact. Say goodbye to those numerous email threads. Team groups are made up of channels, and each channel is built around a subtopic. This feature enables team members to conduct meetings, participate in video conferencing, share files, and work on projects easily in real time. Enjoy improved collaboration. Thanks to Microsoft Teams integration with Office 365, you won't have to constantly switch between multiple applications when working on a project. You can easily share, edit, and collaborate using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other programs seamlessly in Teams. Use your activity feed as your personal assistant. The activity feed gives you an overview of recent activity and what's on your to-do list for the day. It will display all your urgent meetings, messages, and the conversation of your coworkers in one place. In summary, the 5 ways Microsoft Teams can benefit your business are: prepare for your meetings, use chat for quick questions, say goodbye to those numerous email threads, enjoy improved collaboration, and use your activity feed as your personal assistant. If you would like to learn more about how CTI can enhance Microsoft Teams for your business, please reach out to us via our Contact Us form on our website or give us a call at 888-477-4284.